Hurricane Katrina was one of the most destructive Atlantic hurricanes. Of the Atlantic hurricanes, it is the sixth most powerful. It is the third costliest natural disaster in the world. It is also the fifth most deadly hurricane in the United States. Hurricane Katrina originally started as Tropical Depression 12 over the southeastern Bahamas on August 23, 2005. It was formed by the interaction of a tropical wave and the remnants of Tropical Depression 10. The system became a tropical storm on the morning of August 24th. It was at this point it was named Katrina. The tropical storm continued to move towards Florida and became a hurricane only 2 hours before it made landfall. It first hit land between Hollandale Beach and Aventura on the morning of August 25th. The storm weakened to a tropical storm when it made landfall, but it regained hurricane status about 1 hour after entering the Gulf of Mexico. The storm rapidly intensified after entering the Gulf, growing from a Category 3 hurricane to a Category 5 hurricane in 9 hours. This rapid growth was due to the storm's movement over the warm waters of the Loop Current in the Gulf. The Loop Current is a warm water current in the Gulf of Mexico. It enters the Gulf from the south, circles around, and exits towards the southeast to join the Gulf Stream. The warm water increases evaporation, which in turn heats the air. The air has more energy and rises more rapidly, enhancing the effects of a hurricane and increasing wind speeds. Katrina made its second landfall on Monday, August 29th, as a Category 3 hurricane, with sustained winds of 125 miles per hour near Barras Triumph, Louisiana. At landfall, the hurricane's winds extended outward 120 miles from the center. The storm's central pressure was 920 millibars. After moving over the southeastern Louisiana and Breton Sound, it made its third landfall near the Louisiana-Mississippi border with 120 mile per hour sustained winds, still at Category 3 intensity. Katrina maintained its strength well into Mississippi, finally beginning to decline more than 150 miles inland, near Meridian, Mississippi. It was downgraded to a tropical depression near Clarksville, Tennessee. Eventually, it was absorbed by a front in Canada and dissipated. Most of the destruction caused by Katrina was a result of the collapse of the levees. Without the levees, New Orleans was quickly flooded and many people were left stranded and drowned. The levees broke because of storm surge. Storm surge occurs when extreme winds push water onto the coast. The water piles up on itself and raises the sea level. In the case of New Orleans, the sea level was raised by 25 feet. Any 5-foot waves turned into 30-foot waves. This is what broke the levees and caused flooding of New Orleans. Many areas in Texas, Mississippi, and Louisiana were affected by storm surge, but none of them were hit as hard as New Orleans.